Hello, John. Here is your 938 SA sitting on my 69 F-head. Everything looks nice and dry down inside. No leaks, no runs, no errors. Nice and dry underneath too. All right, everything went well. Let's go ahead and fire it up. And again, no leaks, everything is set correctly. Let's look at a few numbers here. Thank you. 19 and a half, almost 20. Well, 19 and a half. Fuel pressure, I'm pushing about 5.5 out. Right now, it looks like 600 RPM. Well, I can turn on it just a little bit. Right in the range again. Alright, so I'm showing 620. Let's pull it through a couple times. Oh yeah, I know that thing rise, right. Yes, sir. Alrighty. I think that'll do it. Thank you, sir.